my name is David from Thales IoT. Today I'm happy to show you our low-power cellular developer Starterkit in the variant with an ENS22. So this is something new that we have right now on DigiKey. So we are selling our LGA dev kit, which you have might seen in some very cool videos, how you can operate with different types of modules. So we have also a special version for you here, and also the UT Arc from Qoitech, where you can instantly measure low power of the module itself and of your complete application, and it's very flexible. So, and this one you will get all in the bundle, so also with the power supply, with some cabling which is required, and basically you are ready. You only need to insert a SIM card and you can start instantly measuring whatever you want. So now we have connected everything. So we connected a USB cable to the OT, we downloaded the software for OT, we have connected the white cable, so the white USB cable, to our LGA dev kit as for the serial connection and powering the dev kit itself. To the dev kit itself, so we have to insert a SIM card, and we have also connected the antenna with the SMA cable to the main interface of the dev kit. And of course, the most important thing what we want to do here is measuring current of the module itself and not of the dev kit. So therefore we unplugged the power supply via the dev kit via a jumper, connected the banana cable, red and black, so black for ground, to the OT itself. And now we can turn on the OT. So we see the green LED is flashing and we hear a little click, and now we can start a recording. So the recording is started, and what we need now to do is pressing the on button, and we see the current is rising, and basically we can start recording it and analyzing it later. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in, we have a lot of videos on our or Qoitech's YouTube channel, so you will find a lot of information about LPWA, CAT-M and NB, also about the OT itself, the dev kit itself, all that special modes, how you can also write a Python script with the OT. So it's really worth to check that out, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye!